Red Cross through its regional platform for the Americas and the Caribbean, PIRAC, based in Guadeloupe. In 2018, commenced the implementation of the Ready Together program, recognizing that increasing risk knowledge and promoting social and behavioral change are essential to reduce the vulnerabilities of individuals and communities.
The Ready Together project, it aims to build the capacity of the region to prepare for and respond to disasters or related emergencies. But it takes a three-level approach. It first works at the regional level. It also works at the national level, at the local level.
It's so critical that we bridge the regional, national and local level, in particular when we're looking at issues like climate change.
So the territories targeted for this program is Antigua and Barbuda, the Commonwealth of Dominica, Guadeloupe, Martinique, St. Lucia, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Over the years, the OECS Commission has worked very closely with with Interreg in terms of the delivery of projects in these islands. Because strategically it makes sense because they're all OECS member states and they have similar needs, similar concerns, and while they're not identical, they have many similar characteristics.
It's important within our own national societies that we start seeing what do we prioritize, are certain regions, communities, who is being affected most? Are we seeing more impacts in health, for example, in agriculture, water, or all of them? And so that we look at integrated approaches and we prioritize the most vulnerable people, the most vulnerable communities, and the most vulnerable sectors. And that can obviously, as you know, in St. Lucia, our balance can differ, even in a very small area. Different people are affected differently, so how can we respond to that? And then I think it's our responsibility, whether in the climate change negotiations here in Egypt, for us as global organizations, that we bridge some of that information capacity and help translate that down.
PIRAC supports the population of the Caribbean in major disasters and conduct projects aiming at strengthening the resilience of populations in the territories of the Caribbean, ARC, and the Guyana Shield. This project aims at contributing to behavioral change among Caribbean populations to reduce their vulnerability to natural hazard exacerbated by the impacts of climate change.
We're moving beyond plans and policies to laws, so that's something that's very important to us both within the IFRC and the national societies, is how do we make some of these provisions more.
PIRAC is implementing the READY program 2019 to 2023, funded by the Interreg Caribbean program, the French Development Agency AFD, and the Guadeloupe region. It aims at strengthening the preparation of the Caribbean territories for nature-based disasters based on the promotion of good practices for reducing natural risk and adapting to climate change.